Good morning, my dear children. First of all, I would like to say thank you for all your wishes, audios, videos and your greetings which you sent to me on Teachers' Day. I am highly touched by your efforts. Children, I love you all and I really liked your wishes which you said to me on Teachers' Day. I am really proud to have students like you. Thank you once again for making my day special. So children, let's start our today's class. Children, today is Monday, the first day of the week, and as you know, there are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Today is Monday and it's turn for our English class. Let's start it. Today I will teach you alphabet, capital and small A to Z. After that, we will revise phonetic sounds and today I will introduce sound of capital M. Children, today in written I will teach you to write capital M in your notebook and then we will practice the rhyme Little Jack Horner. So let's start it. Children, now let us read and recognize capital and small alphabet A to Z. Look at this chart, all of you. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Children, you also speak with me. This is capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z and small z. Children, I hope now you are able to recognize these alphabets, small and capital both. Children, now let's learn and practice sounds of the letters A to L. And today I will introduce a new sound of letter M. So now let's revise our sounds. Children, this is A and the sound of A is A. Apple. Look here, A. A says A. You also speak with me. B. B says B. B says B. Ball. This is C. Sound of C is K. Cat. This is D. D says D. Door. Children, next letter is E. E says E. And the sound of E is E. E for egg. Children, now comes F. F says F. F. F for fish. This is G. The sound of G is G. Grapes. H. H. The sound of H is H. Hen. I. I says ink. Ink pot. Now comes J. J says J. Jar. Jam. Children, this is K. And the sound of K is also K. And this K is kicking K like kite. Sound of K is K. Kite. L. L says L. Our tongue will go upward. L. Lemon. I hope you understand. L says L. So now our today's sound, the new sound which I am going to teach you is of letter M. M says Children, M says See how my lips are going inside. M for milk. M for mango. M for monkey. I hope you are getting it. M says Look here. M for milk. Sound of M is Children, learn and revise the sound the way I taught you. Children, today I am going to teach you a new letter which is capital M. And look at these pictures of different things which start with letter M. M for mango. Look here. M for mango. M for mouse. M for monkey. M for mug. And M for mobile. Are you able to recognize all these pictures which start with letter M? Yes. Let us say them again. M for mango. M for mouse. M for monkey. M for mug. And M for mobile. Children, now let's learn to write capital M. Children, now look at the board. This is today's date. Today is 7th September. And the page of your notebook looks like this. See, M is a bit tricky. So, look at the board carefully how I'm going to teach you. Okay. See, first you have to put your pencil on the red line. Okay. We always start capital letter from the top line. Understand, children? Capital letters को हमेशा ऊपर से start करते हैं, top line से. Now see, from here we will make a standing line. Then, थोड़ा सा दूर यहाँ पे, अब हम यहाँ पे भी एक और standing line बनाएंगे. We will make 2 standing lines. And we will touch the blue line. Okay, we have to come to the second blue line. Now see children, अब ये जो दोनों के बीच में we will put a dot here. एक छोटी सी dot बनाएंगे. Now from this, the first standing line, we will make a slanting line from here. And we will touch this dot like this. And then from this, from the another standing line, the second standing line, again we will make a slanting line like this and we will touch this point. In this way you have to make M. Understand, children? Again look here. Standing line. First you have to make 2 standing lines like this. थोड़ा सा दूर पे. और ये एक सेंटर पॉइंट पे हमें यहाँ से यहाँ तक आना है. एंड फिर जो दूसरी लाइन है उसमें भी हमको यहाँ से यहाँ तक आके ऐसे मिल जाना है. In this way you have to make M. Doesn't it seems like see 2 slides? ऐसा नहीं लग रहा आपको ये 2 slides हैं? Again I'm going to show you. Make 2 standing lines. And here you have to come in the between. ऐसे. ऐसे. आपको ऐसे बनाना है M. Capital M. Like this, children. Don't make M like this. ऐसे करके आपने यूं करके यूं किया या फिर this is wrong. This is also wrong. First make 2 standing lines. Then make a slanting line from the top line. Come to the center. इस center पे आएंगे और फिर यहाँ से ऊपर से नीचे फिर से आएंगे एक slanting line बनाएंगे. And in this way you can make a perfect M. Now I will teach you in the notebook. Children, today the new letter which we are going to write in our notebook is capital M. Okay, this is today's date which you can write. Today is 7th September 7.9.2020. This is the current year. This is classwork. And see, M for mango. M for mango. You like it, isn't it? Okay, so now let's learn to write in the notebook, children. Children, now see, I have made a dot. And from this dot, I will make a standing line like this. Look at it carefully. मैंने एक line बनाई standing. अब इससे थोड़ा सा दूर. I will make another line. Okay, standing line and I will touch the second blue line. All right children. Now see, this is the center. ये यहाँ पे, अब हमको यहाँ पे आना है slanting line बनाते हुए. अब ऊपर वाले ये जो हमने जहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था स्टैंडिंग लाइन को, वहाँ से हम एक slanting line बनाएंगे like this children. Okay? और फिर जो सेकेंड स्टैंडिंग लाइन है वहाँ से भी हमको एक slanting line बनानी है ऐसे. See, दोनों को मिला देना है and in this way we will make capital M. Two standing lines and two slanting lines makes M. Like this children. ये ऐसा नहीं लग रहा आपको कि ये स्लाइड्स हैं, टू स्लाइड्स हैं, है ना? Children, look here again. Two standing lines and two slanting lines like this will make. Children, now look here again. We have made two standing lines और ये जो इसका जो बीच का जो पार्ट है यहाँ पे हमको एक डॉट लगानी है क्योंकि हमको यहाँ पे ही आना है. ऑलराइट, बीच में. और हमको ऐसे स्लांटिंग लाइन बनाई, हमने इस डॉट को टच किया. अब ऊपर से वापस एक और स्लांटिंग लाइन लाएंगे और उस डॉट पे टच कर देंगे. सी, ये कितना परफेक्ट एम बना है, इजंट इट? अब देखो, मैंने इसमें डॉट नहीं लगाया था तो ये बिल्कुल भी सही नहीं बना है. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. अगेन आई विल शो यू टू स्टैंडिंग लाइन्स और ये बीच में एक छोटा सा डॉट लगा दिया. अब हम ऊपर से इस डॉट के पास आएंगे स्लांटिंग लाइन बनाते हुए और वापस से ऊपर में सेकेंड लाइन से हम यहाँ से आएंगे एंड इन दिस वे वी कैन मेक अ परफेक्ट एम. चिल्ड्रन, नाउ लुक हियर. टू स्टैंडिंग लाइन्स वी विल मेक एंड ऑन द बॉटम ब्लू लाइन हम यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा डॉट लगाएंगे. देन वापस से ऊपर वाली जो स्टैंडिंग लाइन है, ऊपर वाली डॉट से हम एक स्लांटिंग लाइन बनाएंगे और इस डॉट को टच करेंगे और वापस से जो सेकेंड हमने जो स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई है वहां से हम वापस से नीचे जाएंगे स्लांटिंग लाइन बनाते हुए और हम वापस से उस डॉट को टच करके मिला देंगे दोनों को. इन दिस वे वी कैन मेक एम. Children, now look here. Again we will make two standing lines and see, this is left standing line, this is right standing line. Okay, and then we will make a dot on the center of these two lines. Okay, and we will make dot on the second blue line. Then from this left line we will come to this dot, from the right line we will come to this dot, and see, we have touched the dot and see what we have made. M. Again two standing lines, one is left and one is right, and see, we have put the dot. In this way you have to make M. Children, we have finished the first line of M. Now we are on the second line. Now look here carefully. Like this, children. This method is quite easy. Children, now we are on the last line. Now see, we have finished first 4 lines of this page. Now we are on the last line. See, again you have to make two standing lines और उसके बीच में एक छोटा सा डॉट लगाएंगे सेंटर में. And then we will make a slanting line from the left line and one more slanting line from the right standing line like this. We have to make M. Two standing lines and two slanting lines makes M. Like this, children. Alright? And don't make this line very broad. अगर आप इतना चौड़ा बना दोगे ये बहुत broad होगा. This M will not look nice. Okay? बस इतना सा दूर बनाएंगे 2 lines. Okay? Then यहाँ पे नीचे एक dot लगा देंगे blue line पे. And then from this line we will come and in this way you have to make capital M. Your mummy will help you. Understand? Mummy, Papa, both will help you. Children, see, this is the correct way to write capital M. Like this, children. Now we will correct our mistakes. Children, always keep in mind capital letters start from the red line. Understand? This is also wrong. Like this, children, you have to write. Wherever we have done mistake, we will correct it. Like this. Alright, children, in this way you have to make M and you have to write one page of M in your English notebook and you have to send its picture to me. Children, now let us recite and practice the rhyme Little Jack Horner with actions. So you also do it with me. Little Jack Horner sat in the corner, eating his Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good boy am I." Let us say it again. Little Jack Horner sat in the corner, eating his Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good boy am I." Children, learn and recite the rhyme the way I taught you. Make your videos on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.